So you're gonna wanna take a brush and every individual strand you're gonna wanna brush. I'm going to take a very small piece. The root, very quickly, wrap the hair all the way down. Oh my God, I love it. I just like to lightly pull the ringlets back, kind of like a little bungee. And then I take the top out. I don't have to worry about it getting mixed in now, as you can see. And then at the end, I'm gonna kind of go in and just like make it all a little bit tighter and closer to the root. The bottom, it doesn't really matter because you're not gonna be able to see, but the top really matters. I look a little crazy. You just want a good little dollop of daisy. I'm going to start mixing it into my hair. I even tried to get my baby hairs because the baby hairs give it away. And just break these babies up. If you have hair like this, you're so lucky. You're so lucky, girl. My boyfriend. So overall, would I recommend the Chopstick Styler? Absolutely. My hair looks so real right now. Like, this does not look artificial at all. I feel like a totally different person right now. Chopstick Styler, I definitely give this one a 10 out of 10. Love it. If you're thinking about buying it and you want this result, girl,